Today, we learn how to use layer mask in design of tech banner or poster. Once you learned this technique, you can design this type of banner in just 3 minutes. So, without further delaying, let's start the video. This is our image for poster. First of all, I will give you 2 tricks to remove the background of this image. First trick is by using Magic Eraser tool. Click on Magic Eraser tool and click on area which you want to remove. It will remove the area of same color in just 1 click. If background is of one color, then it will work perfectly. I clicked multiple times on different areas. You can see, I removed most of the background around main object. Now second trick, click on Quick Selection tool. Then click on Select Object. Your main object of image gets selected automatically. Then go to Select. Press and hold Shift and click on Select and Mask. New dialog box will appear on the screen. Change output to new layer with layer mask. As a result, only selected object will appear on the screen. Now, open a new document of size 1200 pixel by 1200 pixel. This is a standard size for social media post. You can also choose any other size as per requirement of your design. Now I drag this image to new document and adjust the size. I have one more image for this banner. Open this image in the Photoshop. I removed the background of this image by using pen tool. You can watch my previous video to learn how I remove background of image by using pen tool. Link of video is mentioned in description. Now, I also drag this image to our banner document. Now, I add gradient color in the background of this banner. Double-click on the small lock of background layer. Then click on Gradient. Then, click on Color panel. There are some default gradient colors are available. I will try different gradient colors. Choose the color as per your demand of banner. Here I will choose light as well as attractive colors. Always try to choose trendy colors. I will choose 2 colors, cyan and pink, from these colors. To remove colors, just click on slider and drag it down. It's so simple. I also remove top sliders. These sliders are used to choose opacity. I removed all sliders of opacity less than 100%. Then press OK. Now, I change angle for gradient colors. I also try reverse option and different scale values to make it attractive. You can also try these options to make best design. Now, I make shadow of objects. So, first I made a new layer. Then select brush and increase brush size. Select soft brush. Choose black color to make shadow. Then click on screen. Then transform this shape as you can see on screen. Then, I decrease the opacity of this shadow to 25%. Now, make a copy of shadow layer and move it below the cell phone. I little increase the opacity for this shadow. Now, you can see, these objects look like they are floating in the air. Just select a layer of cell phone and right-click on it. Select flip horizontally. I flipped it because I want to show mobile and headphone little closest to each other. But I don't want to move the mobile to right. Otherwise, left side of poster looks blank. I little increase the size of cell phone to fill the banner. I also move both shadows little down. It looks cool. When I add text in this poster, it will give look of banner. Please comment below if you have any query or suggestion regarding this video. Then I select Type tool and type Let the music move you. I change its color to white. But it doesn't looks cool. To make it attractive, I break it into 2 lines. Just cut the last 2 words and make a copy of first line. To copy this line, just press and hold Alt or Option key and drag it down. Now, paste move you here by using shortcut Controller Command V. Now, I increase the size of move you. It is my typography style. Now, it looks cool. To make it more attractive, I change font to Intro Rust font, which is display type font. Now it looks more cool. Adjust the gap between lines. I also change font of first line in light version of Gotham. Here is a tip about typography. Never use more than 2 fonts in one poster. It looks attractive. Now, I link the shadow with object, so that when I move the object, shadow will also move along with it. Now, main part of video. How to show that headphone hanged on letters. So, first I adjust the position of headphone. Now select text layer and make mask layer. Select mask and then open brush tool. When you paint on any area that will disappear if foreground color is black. I paint on some portion of letter O, that area disappeared. But when I zoom in on that area, you can see edges of letter O are not exactly matched with headphone. It doesn't not look good. So, to solve this problem here is a trick. Go to layer of headphone. Press and hold Controller Command key and click on headphone layer. Headphones are selected as you can see on the screen. Now, again I select the mask of text layer. Select a brush. I also choose brush with hard edges. Keep in mind, foreground color must be black. Now, paint on the area of letter O which you want to hide. Only that area of text is hide by paint which is above the headphone. The edges of hidden area are very sharp. I also hide some portion of U. It looks cool. You can see how easily I do this. Our banner is complete. And it looks so cool. You can easily design this type of tech banner. If you make any poster after watching this video, post it on Instagram and tag me. If you want to ask any question, you can ask in comment section as well as on Instagram. Please support me by just pressing the like button. If you did not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it and press the bell icon.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.